Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have Brochures Templates. These files for Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop and Microsoft Word. These files in 1.35 GB you see here, and total file is 523 in 235 folders. Okay, these files is not protected without password, just you can download. You see here is 6 different templates. Next is clean CV resume Word templates. Here is one template with 4 different format. Here is a part of Illustrator user, AI and AI in cover letter, CV and cover letter. Same thing is here, Photoshop, CV and cover letter. Next is for Word, Microsoft Word. Okay, and here is material style, CV resume. Here is cover letter, here is CV resume, and here is portfolio. All files are PSD for Photoshop user. Same thing is here. Here is AI DOS for Microsoft Word. Here is EPS for Illustrator, icons, PSD, icons for Adobe Illustrator. And here is join my Telegram channel, Sheri official. I will provide first notification of any video or any update. So these templates download for, go to sherigraphics.com, click on presentation and then click resume, and you see our templates is here. Just click on someone or anyone, scroll down, and still half minute, and so you can download easily. These files are in iDrive. I hope this file is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel and subscribe me on Telegram. Take care. Allah Hafiz.